the girls used to have those beautiful Barbie dolls with their makeup boxes, then kitchen sets, having that special cylinder, red color. I still have got it for my daughter, it's there. And for the boys, they have got those big cars, bikes, guns, caps. What I'm trying to make you understand, this is how the whole setup is there. Even in our toys, we have got segregation. We have got it. And it is present even now. Forget about what was 100 years back. और इसी सेटअप को चेंज करने की बात की जा रही है क्योंकि सेक्स रेशियो के अंदर में फीमेल्स एंड मेल्स एज पर द लॉ ऑफ द नेचर शुड हैव बीन 50-50. You cannot have your species continue unless and until equal proportion of male and female are not present. You cannot have it. This is the rule of the law according to the sexual reproduction in animals. You need to have one male and one female. But अगर हम अपना ही 2011 का एनालिसिस उठाकर देखते हैं तो फीमेल आर लेस इन नंबर एंड मेल्स आर मोर. So we are disturbing that equation. We are disturbing. Nature is not disturbing. We are disturbing. And what is the reasons? We have seen it out here. Biological differences and differences in upbringing. I'll give you an example. Upbringing. कैसे पालन पोषण हो रहा है. Upbringing and expectations from social and cultural perspective, path of development of male and female is different. And this need to be actually worked upon, and we are working. No doubt about it, we are working upon it. Even today, in many families, women are engaged in household chores, cleansing, taking care of the child. And this is something which is non-economical. You are not going to get paid for doing all this thing. Though one of the hardest thing to do, because this is a 24-hour, 365 days non-paid work. Bringing up a child is not going to be an easy one. You have to wake up at the 2 in the night, 5 in the morning, noon, 3 o'clock, just to check whether the child is safe, have his stomach or her stomach filled up, is doing what he or she is up to, what is his or her now requirement, अब क्या चाहिए इसको. ये सारी चीजों को 24 घंटे चलाना पड़ता है, तब जाकर we see that upbringing, and we consider it to be a non-economical. We are not getting paid for it. When I say we, I'm talking about those mothers we have. So they do not have any contribution in economic earnings. Or a family or country, they do not have any power to take decision in the family. In the previous chapter, we had learnt about the Dravidians to be having a matriarchal set of society. That was the females were in command. But out here, the males seems to be in command, and we call it as the patriarchal society. So the name changes. This is patriarchal, where male are considered as the dominating factor within the family. They are deprived from economical and educational rights. They experience discrimination in their clothes, games, opportunities of education, food, hangout, ethics and behavior, and so on. So you have got lots and lots of problems coming. Some are sleeping also. They become victim of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, Dahej, and many other social evils due to low literacy rate among them. Now, when we do the analysis, फिर से इसके ऊपर ये हो क्यों रहा है? होने की वजह बहुत सिंपल सी है. पढ़ाई लिखाई औरतों में, फीमेल्स के अंदर में मेल्स के कंपैरिजन कम देखने को मिलती है, जिसकी वजह से दे डोंट रियलाइज what are their natural rights which are given by the nature as well as given by the constitution. So they don't know anything because they are not learned. And unless and until you don't have a learning capacity increased, they will be always deprived of their basic requirements. They are forced to become victim of child infanticide, low respect, desire to have a son, social traditions, sexual discrimination, inequality is seen in economic, political, social, cultural and religious fields. And this is how we need to work upon all these factors simultaneously. एक साथ सब पर काम करना पड़ेगा. ये हुए हमारे दो टॉपिक, that is health and the sex ratio. One block is left. Kindly go read through it. Tomorrow we are going to continue with it. Thank you so much.